Yan, samahan nyo na naman ako sa isang araw ng pag-aaral. Today is Sunday and yan, we have our Sunday class as for us to cope sa mga lessons po namin in our TTL subject. So, as you can see, wala pong katao-tao sa school ngayon. And, yan, nakasara. Akala ko nga hindi na makakapasok. Nakasara yon. Buti na lang bukas ng kaunti. Yan, napakita tayo sa law building rather. Ayan, hagdan na naman. So, my room is LB 203. So, yun po yung meeting place or dun po makakandak yung discussion together with Sir Patty, our TTL teacher. So, see? Napakadilim po. Buti na lang at nakasindi pa yung ilaw na isa or dalawa. Nakasara ng pinto. Yung ibang mga rooms ay wala pong kailaw-ilaw. However, this room, particularly this room, is okay, medyo maayos-ayos naman. And yan, waiting for the others. So, yan. Habang nag-aantay is ayun, para sa scroll. Yan, dumating na si Sir Petty with the other classmates, other students from different specialization, math, Filipino, science, English, and ED. Yan, nag-start na po ang discussion in principles of teaching. So, we are now getting ready to start the discussion. So, yan. So, nag-start ang discussion in means of discussing the elements of teaching. So, yan. Nakikinig na naman tayo, kunwari. Pero, nakikinig talaga ako. So, yan. And, after that, yan, taking notes para may sagot tayo sa examination. So, yan, nagdi-discuss ni Sir Petty. And, everyone is taking down notes para hindi na kami mahirapan sa exams, sa reviewers, and also we are taking pictures sa mga lessons. So, primarily, talagang kailangan ng cooperation for us to be able to cope and discuss more detailed ang lesson po namin yun. So, yan. That is our teacher, Sir Petty. Actually, we've discussed 3 lessons or topics in 4 hours of time. So, talagang napakaganda ng discussion. Talagang may mga matututunan tayo. Or kami. Because Sir Petty explains the lesson in detailed manner. May realize ka, kumbaga. So, every discussion or every details that is coming out from his mouth, talagang may marirealize ka. Talagang kailangan to sa teaching, and so on and so forth. So, yan, assessment methods. So, marami talaga kaming napag-aralan during that time. And also, taking down notes is the key para may masaulo kami. And yan, natapos ang discussion and we've took a picture as a remembrance. Ayan. Tapos na po ang discussion and after that, nagkaroon lang ng checking of attendance. So yun, nag-vlog na rin yung iba. Vlog na sila. And palabas na po ang ibang mga students from different majors. And ako na din. Alis na. So, yan. Pauwi na ako niyan from a Sunday class. And napaka-productive na araw na ito. So, yun. And nakasakay na nga ang person na ito pauwi at hahabulin ang service or Sunday worship sa amin. So, that's all. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next vlog.